Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 3 websites that you can use to make money online. It's not all these websites that you used to see on YouTube that people just post on YouTube for the sake of making money. No, I'm going to show you legit websites that you can use to make money online. The process is not just you clicking on different buttons and then making money. No, the process is you becoming a freelancer. The process is you being a professional that's making money using those websites. So I'm going to show you 3 websites that you can use today and make money online. It's not fake, it works. Without wasting our time, let's start with the first website. So the number 1 website is called Preply, number 2 is Prolific, and number 4 is Clickbank. Preply is just a website that you can use to teach a language on, right? So for example, let's say if you are watching this video, that means that you speak English, right? So if you know English, you can use Preply to teach people that maybe speak French. You can open an account and you can start teaching people that want to know English. You have different audience. You can have children, adults, teenagers that want to learn English, and it's not limited to English alone. You can also teach people other languages. For example, if you know how to speak French, you can also open an account and then start teaching people French. You can teach people how to speak Spanish. You can teach people how to speak Portuguese, Chinese, and different languages, right? So all depends on what language you can speak and how good you can speak it. So that's what Preply is for. The number 2 website that we are going to talk about today is called Clickbank. So Clickbank, like the name implies, is just like the bank of clicks, right? Sorry, but Clickbank is a website that you can use to do affiliate marketing, right? It's all about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is just you sharing links to people. Those links are linked to special products. If people click on those links, the links are going to take them to the product's website, and if they purchase that particular product, then you, the person that referred those people that purchased the product with the link, is going to make money. I mean, individual A sent a link to individual B for individual B to purchase a product with company A. Once individual B purchases a product from company A, then individual A, the initial individual that sent the link to individual B, is going to get a reward from what they did, because they sent a link and the person that used the link made a purchase from the link. So you are going to get a reward from doing that. That's what we call affiliate marketing. You can do affiliate marketing for different websites. Most websites have affiliate marketing. If you are using Spotify, you can do affiliate marketing for Spotify. You can do affiliate marketing for Amazon. You can do affiliate marketing for different websites. So if you open an account with Clickbank, you can start your career as an affiliate marketer. So the last website that we are going to use today is called Prolific. Prolific is just a website that helps you to give some reviews or answer some surveys that you are going to receive from the website. The aim of that website is just to create a bank of knowledge. It's a website that helps students that do research in universities, in different schools, to get answers from the public. So if you go to Prolific, you are going to be asked different questions, and the answers you are going to provide this website is going to be very useful to them, because it's going to help them answer some type of question. In schools, we have different things. If you are in university, you know what we call research topic. When you are doing your research, you need to answer some questions. So Prolific is just like a place where people ask different type of questions and you get rewarded from answering those questions. So without wasting time, let's jump right in the video and start opening different accounts for those different websites. So the number 1 is called Preply. Let me click on Preply. As you can see, I've already created an account, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to log out and then try to open a new account that is going to serve as an example of me showing you how to open an account. Now I want to get started, but if I click on get started, what will happen? Right, find the right tutor. So this is showing that I am looking for someone that's going to teach me a language that I want to learn, but this is not what brought us here. We want to be the tutors ourselves, right? So we have to click and go back, then look for become a tutor. So that's what brought us here. So teach online, earn money. That's the main thing right here. Earn money on your schedule, right? So I have to put my email address and my password. So let me sign up. So what's going to happen now? I have to save my password, yes, obviously. So now there's a few steps about. So start creating your public tutor profile. Your progress will be automatically saved as you complete each section. You can return at any time to finish registration. So let's immediately put our name, confirm, then save and continue. So guys, I've already done the first step. So the next step is simply to upload a photo of myself. Okay, so this one is centered. So save and continue. So guys, as you can see, they've accepted the photo. So now teaching certification, right? So what do they mean by teaching certification? Do you have teaching certificates? If so, describe them to enhance your profile credibility and get more clients. So what they mean here is just like you having a certificate increases your credibility, but I personally don't have a certificate. But if you do, go ahead and put the subject, what you did, right, and then your certificate and description issued by the school, and then years of study, when did you study, when did you start, when did you finish, and then you can upload the certificate boldly here, and then you can save and continue. But since we don't have, then we click on I don't have a teaching certificate yet. Education. Tell students more about the higher education that you've completed or are working on. So I randomly picked institutions and courses and all of that. So you can go ahead and do your own, save and continue. We are on the section of profile description. So this is simply to make this process simple. Just go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to write a short this thing for you. So paste it on ChatGPT and send. So ChatGPT is going to say send us something right here, but it's too long, right? So we are going to tell ChatGPT to make it short. Make it short. All you need to do is to copy and paste, right? You can click here to copy, then you come over here and then you paste it. But make sure you remove this because it's an indication that you copied it from an AI. So just remove it, and yeah, we are good to go. So now continue. Right, so add this message to the shorter version. So add it and then continue, then write a catchy headline. So this is a headline that you can use to attract customers, like people that want to learn from you. Continue, right? We need to test our camera thing. So hello, hi, hello, hi, hello, hi. My name is Emmanuel. I'm your English teacher, and today I'm going to take you. Let's continue. Your video will appear here, right? So start recording. So these are the things that you need to do for a video requirements. Make sure your video meets the requirement to get approved. Your video should be 30 seconds or 2 minutes long. Record horizontal mode and eye level. Use good lighting. Use a stable surface so that the video does not disappear. So let's just go ahead and start recording. Hey, my name is Emmanuel and I'm your English lecturer. I'm so happy that I'm going to teach you how to speak English, and you need to be so happy that I'm going to be your lecturer because I know how to speak English very well, and I'm going to take you through the process, right? You are going to enjoy the process of learning English with me. So guys, once you are done, you can just stop recording and keep continuing, right? Now save and continue. Alright, so availability. Is this your current time zone? So it's showing Europe, Paris. No, it's not my current time zone. Right, so now search availability. I'm okay with all these things. So let me just click save and continue. So now set your hourly rate, right? So you can set any amount you want, but I'm going to set $15. Now you need to refresh. They've now sent a mail to your mailbox, so you need to go to your mailbox and verify it. Everything is already there. I've already confirmed my email is saved. See, my balance is here, $0. You can refer friends. So now you can click on these things, survey and interviews. Like if there are surveys on the website, you want to get notified through your email. Wait 5 business days and then let's see what happens. So without wasting time, let's jump right in the next website. So guys, this is Clickbank, and remember what I told you, Clickbank is a website where you can become an affiliate marketer, right? So this is affiliate marketing, and if you want to become an affiliate marketer, all you need to do is to click on affiliate start here. So guys, now we are going to test the last website on our list, which is Prolific. So this Prolific right here. So let me click on get started. What do you want to do in Prolific? I want to take part in engaging research, earn cash, as guys, earn cash. Join the participant wait list. Join the wait list. So we've got lots of interest in Prolific right now. Join our wait list, and we will email you as soon as we are taking on new participants. Let's click on this join list. So guys, let's quickly go and verify our email address. So guys, I'm on the wait list. They will send me an email when they are taking new participants. So guys, that's all for this video. I hope you like the video, and if you do, please hit the like button down below, comment something nice, share the video to any person that wants to make money online, and without further ado, let's see you in the next video. Ciao.